got wellness. Just kidding. I got wellness boxes too. I have no idea what's in it. I stupidly never set up my backup order. I forgot to submit my order. So we got a backup order. So I guess let's see what it is together. I apologize. I need to find this is car, so we'll just use the key. Oh, this one was box number 1. Shampoo. I haven't used this one yet, so I don't know. Clean your fruits and veggies. Anyone? A spot treat. This stuff works really well. The golden bar that I see everywhere, but I haven't used yet, so we'll give it a shot. Toothpaste. Everyone uses toothpaste, don't they? Ooh, Renew. This stuff is amazing. They even have eczema. Oh yeah, this is the lavender. They even have one for eczema. It's really good. Fantastic. In all fairness, this is the third time I'm trying to do this video. I kept running out of food storage, so I had to, deal with that. Anyways, you already saw most of everything that was in here. The only thing that I did not show you was the toilet bowl cleaner. Woohoo. And I think that was it. Yep. Lots of fun stuff. And I got another box. This one's bigger. We can leave this later. And that. Alright. Tough and tender wipes. I love this spray, so I got these to try. I'm sure it's amazing. Just more convenient. And of course, more of my favorite disinfectants. Got 2, because you get 2, it's cheaper than you get 1. Daily shower cleaner, more fruit and veggie wash, more tough and tender. And these you just mix in those spray bottles that you see me use. More shampoo and conditioner. They're starting to grow. I did find a gray though the other day. It's somewhere up in here. And collagen. We don't have to recommend this, so I don't know. We'll try. We'll see. That's it. Nothing else. So if you are interested in anything, just let me know. No big deal. Otherwise,